Living with Shay. I'm here from Walmart weekend haul for you. My skin is just looking so good right now. It's just looking so. Some people be asking. I don't do nothing. All I put on my face is water. That's it. Just water. I consume it and I use. That's all I do. Water. I don't use any type of cleaners, cleansers, nothing. Just water. But listen. I'm here for my weekend haul for you guys if you're new here. And this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here. I am Shay with the pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button to support your girl. And so listen, as far as my weekend, I need, I think I need 12 for 3. I've been getting $3 a lot lately. And then I need, the larger bonus, I need 15 for 6. So I did most of it yesterday. Matter of fact, I think I hit it yesterday. Today I just went back to do deals that I really thought wasn't going to last. And so that was pretty much why I went out today. I'm waiting for my Fetch Reward gift cards to process so I could do more deals, because I hate spending PayPal money when I have gift cards that are pending. And the only apps I get Walmart gift cards for right now is Fetch, Merryfield, Frisbee, and ta-da. Those are the only Actually, you know, we got a special offer for Ibotta. Lee Gibson hit me up. I was too late, y'all. And it's crazy because it was all over IG. And I was so out of it, y'all. And so Ibotta's doing a promotion on Thursdays. I was just watching Runny Kimono's video. Maybe I'll link her video in the description. And she talks about it in her video, but basically it's like their way of helping out with gas prices by reimbursing you for the gas that you get up to a certain amount only at certain locations and stuff. And I did see Circle K on there, so I was excited. So hopefully I'll get it next week. I saw the Arm & Hammer going around yesterday too, but y'all, I can never bring myself to go out to run for anything, because I'm always in the back of my head, I'm like, it's not gonna work out, and then I'm gonna go out for nothing and come back empty-handed. So I'll just say, if it's there tomorrow, the universe was saying, Shay, look here, boo. So when I went this morning, Arm & Hammer was still working. I did it twice on both my Walmart accounts. And so, yeah, but without further ado, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you wanna see what your girl got to do, hit the like button, keep on watching, and help your girl out. All right, guys. This first deal is on the Harkins. Now, this offer, it was originally 5. So I did 5 for Walmart Rewards, and then I used that to pay for a set of 5 for Ibotta, priced at $2.97, making all 10 free. Now, Ibotta did change this offer to a limit of 1, so definitely check your offer before you buy it. All right, so next up is the chips. So listen, y'all, every time I get another survey on Flavor Wiki for chips, I say, no. I'm not going to do it. What do? I do it. And so I think this haul, I got like 7 bags. And so the Lay's are priced at $2.50. Getting back 3 makes it a 50-cent moneymaker. The Miss Vickies are $3.92. Getting back $4.50 makes it a 58-cent moneymaker. And the Boulder Canyon are $4.79. Getting back 5, making that a 21-cent moneymaker. And of course, my favorite out of these 3 is by far the Miss Vickies. In the comments, what's your favorite? This is a super easy deal on the Light Zero. It's priced at $1.98. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta, makes it 98 cents with a limit of 2. All right, so by now this deal is completely dead. All right, it's on the Arm & Hammer. It was glitching on the offer on the sister apps for $7 when you buy 2. And so I went ahead and grabbed 4 at $3.84. That total came to $15.36. I did get back 14 on Swagbucks automatically. Easy Bucks, that one did go into review and cleared this morning. I also had $2 back on 3 of them on Walmart Rewards, which I did each Walmart account. And then there's a PayPal offer for $1, making all 4 a $5.64 moneymaker. Because this is such an easy deal to do. Now, a lot of my offers have been resetting recently. I do still have some that are locked, clipped, but I'm happy that some of them at least are resetting, especially this one since it's an easy one. All right, so it's on the razors. The Hydro Silk is priced at $6.78. We have a $3 printable on coupons.com. You'll pay $3.78. You'll get back 2 on Ibotta, makes it $1.78. The extreme is $3.78, $3 printable. Pay $3.78, get back 3 on Ibotta, makes it 78 cents. And last but not least, we have the Skintimate price at $6.27. Again, $3 printable. You'll pay $3.27, getting back 2. Makes it $1.27, and all of these are a limit of 3. All right, so next up is the Nivea lotion, price at $4.97. Getting back 2 on Ibotta and 2 on Checkout 51 makes it 97 cents. I haven't tried the IP yet to see if it worked. Obviously, I would rather save at the register than have to get it back through a reimbursement. And then the CoverGirl, I did find this one on clearance, not this particular one, but I found it on clearance for $2.50. Got back 3 on Bucks and Checkout 51. I'm making that a $3.50 money maker. All right, so big shout out to one of you guys that shared this deal on one of my videos, Skulls and Butterflies. So big shout out to you. This deal worked perfect. I'm actually gonna do this video and then go do it again. And so it's on the True Skin. Now you want to grab the ones that are priced at $14.60. Well, you can grab any one, but the cheapest one is $14.68. 2 of them is going to be $29.36. We have an offer on the sister apps. It says buy 1 get back 5, buy 1 get back 12. It is G wording, and so I grabbed 2, got back 24, went through automatically. There's also $4 back for each on Ibotta, and then $3 on Checkout 51. It'll make it a $5.64 moneymaker. Now, I did try using the IPs. They did not scan. Obviously, I would rather use 2 of those. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so this deal I got from California Clipper. I was a little on the fence whether or not I was going to do this deal, but I figured since I was close to cashing out on Fetch, why not? So it's on the Osteo Bioflex. It's priced at, did I say Bioflex or Biflex? Osteo Biflex. It's priced at $13.94, getting back 5 on Checkout 51, 5 on Bucks, and $5.40 on Fetch. It's going to make this a $1.46 moneymaker. All right, so we're finally at Target. I did a lot more at Target than I expected, but I was really trying to utilize the 10 off of 40 health category coupon and the 5 off of 30 food. So I did it on both accounts. And so this first deal here is on the Back to Nature crackers. They're priced at $3.99. You want to grab 2, you'll pay $7.98, getting back a buy 1 get 1 free offer on Social Nature, and $1 for each on Ibotta. It's going to bring those down to only 99 cents each. So next up is the chips. Now I did get a lot of the chips at Target because I was able to use the 5 off of 30. And so the Boulders Canyon are priced at $4.69, getting back 5, so make that $1.11 moneymaker. The Miss Vicky's is priced at $3.89, $4.50 back, makes it a 61-cent moneymaker. But of course, things were a little cheaper when you factor in the category coupon. I also utilized the free offers, the referral offers that I have from you guys using my link. With the bag, the smaller bag, is a part of the food beverage promo, and the 4 count is a part of the health 10 off of 40 promo. So I basically just tossed these into my transaction to help get me to where I needed to be. They're both free. If you haven't did the offer yet, you're gonna save $3.50. All right, so next up we have the Leisure. I actually tried the mango one. It was really good. So for this, you're grabbing 2 of them priced at $2.69. We have a buy 1 get 1 free offer for aisle. We also have a buy 1 get 1 free offer on Social Nature. Now I did have a free offer as well. I submitted my receipt twice and did get both of them, making them both a $2.69 moneymaker. The Slate Protein Ultra is priced at $3.29. 2 of them is going to be $6.58. Getting back a buy 1 get 1 free offer through aisle, $1 for each on Ibotta, makes them 64 cents each. And then the butter, you have to get specific flavors, but they're priced at $3.99. We have an offer on aisle, making that absolutely free. Oh my gosh, you guys, this worked out so much better than I expected. I got back more on Social Nature. Well, I got back an additional offer that honestly wasn't even there. I thought it was gone already. And then I got back more on aisle as well. And so for this, I threw this into the healthcare deal, 10 off of 40. I stacked it with the protein chips, and I think I needed $1.50 filler, so I added the Dove deodorant. And so for this, I paid $10.46 after the category coupon for the packs, $17.04 for the bag. So I paid $27.50 out of pocket. I got back 3 different offers on Social Nature. I got back half the price of both items plus a buy one get one free offer, and then I did get back $17.04 for aisle. So it made both of these a $13.69 moneymaker, which is really awesome because I did not expect that. All right, so I decided to do the cover girl. I'm really close to cashing out on checkout 51, and I heard the pencil was working on there, and so I grabbed that price at $4.79. I did get back $3 on checkout 51. I also got back 3 on Swagbucks, making that a $1.21 moneymaker. I also grabbed the powder as well, priced at $6.79, getting back 3 on checkout 51, 3 on Swagbucks, making that 79 cents. All right, y'all, this deal did not work out as planned. I threw these into the health care offer with the 10 off of 40. It didn't work out because with Isle, they texted me about the toothbrush, but I did it already like, a week ago? I didn't think I could do it again, but since they texted me, I assumed I could. Submitted my receipt, and they was like, no, you can't do it again because you already did it. And I was just like, are you serious right now? I had to return it, but I already had submitted the receipt to Ibotta, so technically I already got the $3.75, and they haven't reversed it yet. But with the toothpaste, they're priced at $5.29. You'll pay $10.58 for 2. There's a buy one get one free offer for Isle, getting you back $5.29 plus $2 back on Ibotta, makes them $1.64 each. All right, y'all. So this is the last deal. If you're still watching, just do me a small little favor, okay? You still listening? Small little favor. Hit the like button. Show your girl a little love, because your girl I don't even hit 300 likes, which is crazy, but I don't. So, and so listen, this is on the Bright by Scotch Brite. This deal went so fast on Fetch Reward, y'all. 3,000 points. When you buy one, they're priced at $3.99, makes them 99 cents. Went ahead and grabbed 2 sets of 3 on each of my Fetch accounts. And I'm hoping that you could use these like regular sponges because I couldn't get the other ones because that one ran out too fast. So let me know if you've used these before because I will deadass use them as regular sponges. At least that's what I hope to do. And so, yeah. All right, guys. I had the most trouble trying to set this up with all these dang chips. So I ended up doing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the chip surveys. What I did was in my last video, when I bought them at Vons, buy 2 get 2 free, I hadn't actually did the survey yet for the one offer that I had. But when I checked the next morning, I got more surveys. So I ended up having the Lays on one account twice. So I went ahead and just did that instead of doing the one that I had. And then I had another one by itself that I just did I threw that into a food deal at Target. And of course I did the Wild 4 times. The freebie for Target for this month was $5 off. I grabbed 2 of the little cereal bowls, which were actually pretty awesome. And they're really like sturdy. Like I was like, okay, and they were $3 each. So it was 6 and then minus the 5. So basically 50 cents each, which is really, really cool. And gray is like one of my favorite colors. Oh, I did want to mention checkout 51. One of you guys had left a comment saying that yours has been $15 to cash out for a long time. And I just assumed mine was 20. But when I clicked on it the other day, I think it was at like 19 and change to cash out. It was actually going to let me cash out, but I was waiting for the CoverGirl to clear at Target first. So on the other account, I ended up clicking it to cash out and it said $15. And so let me know if you guys accounts for checkout 51 says the same thing. I know with the offers being the way they are and being limit of 1, it's going to still take forever to hit the $15, but I'd rather it hit 15. You could hit 15 faster than 20, basically. Other than that, what else with this haul? I did do Arm & Hammer twice. I did 2 sets. If I had the more printables, I would have definitely did it across the board, for sure. What else? I think that's basically it, y'all, because I really want to run through this. I have a crap load of receipts, y'all. Look, I have a ton of receipts between Target. I actually had quite a few at Target. The offer for this, it had said that it looked like I bought the regular kind, but I basically just sent a picture of it. And with IO, that's what I normally do. If there's a problem, I'll just send them a picture of the item. so they can see what I got, and that usually fixes it. Really quick, I found some more lawn. I guess they're clearancing these out because I got the Lucky Charm one. I think it was what it was. It was really good, and so I found two of these in the clearance when I was there the other day for $1, and I was like, oh my gosh! And so I was like, yes, I wish they had more. I would have totally probably grabbed them all, but I wanted to mention that as well. Let me run through this really quick. All right, so everything that you see here retails $361.76. I have $56 in coupons. That was the category coupons at Target, 2 10s, 2 5s, a $2 coupon on the Arm & Hammer, and True Skin coupons didn't scan. I don't think they scan last time I try to use that coupon. Which brought the out-of-pocket down to $305.76. Our sales tax for this was $16.52. Getting back a total of $72.47 from aisle, $60.60 from Ibotta. Swagbucks is $44. Social Nature $34.42. Flavor Wiki $28.50. Walmart Rewards was $26.85. Fetch Reward $23.40. Easy Bucks was $22. Checkout 51 was $19. PayPal was $6.48, and the Air Baton, which was for the Arm & Hammer, was $1, bringing my total back to $338.72. Is going to make everything you see here free plus a $32.96 moneymaker, which is really cool. With that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. In the comments, I want to see a cereal bowl in the comments if you make it to the end, and I will see you